Hey, today I just wanted to show you guys something I've been working on for a little while. It's a first-person shooter asset, I guess. Um, the main point of this project is procedural animations. The block animation is not an animation. Has a little bit of sway when you aim in and walk. Let's see that. A little bit more when you're walking like this. Sprinting is not an animation, it's procedurally done. Really annoying shooting. And I've also been working on some penetration. So this is a projectile. Shooting through 4 pieces of wood. 4 pieces of wood. It also goes by the materials. This is stone. As you can see, it only goes through so many layers of the stone. It slows it down a lot more. And it has multiple materials. I guess you can see two different versions of it here. It hits this one and finally stops. And it makes it through most of these. The blue means it's going slow by that point, and the red's starting. And this is metal. Metal is a little more thick. And depending on how thick it is, okay. And this is not traces from these ones. Also, depending on the angle you shoot it at. It's not tracing through here. The tracer you shoot on that angle. And this is just the testing for the thickness. As you can see, this one is wood, but it's thicker than this metal. And this metal can't be shot through. But because it's wood, it can. This is probably one of the thickest pieces of wood you can actually shoot through. It slows down a lot when you're shooting through it. And it's basically it really. Trying to make the movement go well with it. And I've been working on replicating it as well. Most things are replicated. The projectile, I think, is not. But you drag this into here. You can see that there. That isn't gonna work. Let's just play from this guy. Spine mutation is replicated. Aiming. And also, it also uses the first person arms, but aiming is replicated here. See right here that it's the way the setup for it is. There's the arm mesh, and then there's the third person mesh that everyone else can see. And then there's a mesh that's specifically just for first person. You can actually look down and see your feet, your legs. That's true first person. You can see still some things need to work on. Your shadow works just fine. Doesn't show the wrong first person arms. Penetration works on these. Shoot him in the head. The head's thin enough so we can get 3 maybe not. Thought I could get 3 headshots. Yeah, there we go. There's 3 headshots with the body. And some issues with the bouncing, you can see right now and then the bullet projectile bounce. They fix that. See it bouncing the body. Let's slow down over time. The animations are the only thing that really needs to be replicated is speeds aren't replicated right now, but other than that, everything is replicated and working. Yeah, that's about everything I think for this asset. I'll be uploading more videos on it as I finish more. I plan on doing more things, like I have a start for the reload here. It's not actually an animation. I'll just show you the animations quickly that I'm using this idle pose, the jumps. I think that's it. This isn't being used. It's being used somewhere, but it won't be used eventually. Eventually it'll all be this and driven by code. All the movement will be driven by code. And this is just all used in the montage, which is not being used. So basically everything's done with the idle pose, basically. So thank you for watching. I'll upload more as I can. Sorry I haven't been able to do much tutorials. I've been pretty busy with things lately. I haven't really had too much time for this. This has been a little while now. Thank you. Have a good day.